Hey, this is Ryan Jones with serverlessguru. In this video, we're going to be covering cloud storage for Firebase. We're going to be jumping into the documentation, learning more about the service, and how it works into the Firebase suite. So let's go ahead and jump in. So Firebase is a suite of services and products, and cloud storage is just one of many other services that come inside of Firebase. So cloud storage is used across the Google Cloud platform for storing things like image, videos, text files, binary files, pretty much anything that you need to store for your application to run, you can store it in cloud storage. This is not structured data, it is unstructured. There's basically, you can just throw stuff inside of it. There's no folder structure. Although there's the appearance of folders, actually it's just basically live endpoints to your stuff. So if you upload a file of a cat and you call it cat.jpg and you put it inside of a bucket called my bucket, then that cat will actually be able to be accessed by going to https www.something Google Cloud /mybucket/cat.jpg. You can of course lock down access and make sure that it's private and not publicly accessible, but by default everything inside of cloud storage is a unique bucket name, and that's so that you can host your files, your binaries, or anything like that without worrying about conflicts. So let's go ahead and jump into the documentation. So you can store and serve content with ease with cloud storage. Things like videos, photos. It's also built for Google Scale. So infrastructure is built so that if your app goes viral, it'll grow. So you don't have to worry about, is this prototype going to work in production? Yes, it will. And with cloud storage, it'll do things up to the scale of other services like Google Photos or Spotify, right? So very powerful global services that use cloud storage every single day and for millions of transactions or interactions. So you can be assured that it's going to scale to your needs. It also has robust uploads and downloads. So it supports offline usage as well, or offline uploads. So like, let's say you're out in nature and you're taking a video and then your connection drops out. You want to be able to automatically start uploading that again once you get cell signal or Wi-Fi back, right? And so with the Firebase SDK, they have a built-in functionality so that you can upload with mobile connectivity in mind, right? It will pause and resume transfers as the app loses and regains connectivity, and it saves bandwidth and users' time, right? And so that's a good experience. You don't want to have your user take this very awesome photo or video and then lose it because the connection drops. Also, it has strong user-based security. So the Firebase SDK for cloud storage, it comes with the Firebase Authentication service. And with that, it has very simple and intuitive access control. You can basically use a declarative security model to allow user based on identity. So user Bob uploads a photo and then Bob can access that photo, but only that photo, right? You can also do things like do properties of a file such as name, size, or content type, or other metadata like that to basically secure who can access it. So this is kind of a very brief video of what cloud storage is. Basically, you use it to upload videos, photos, any type of documents, things like that that you want to do. If you're not familiar with AWS or the Google Cloud, you can think of it as Google Drive or Dropbox for your applications. So this was Ryan Jones with serverlessguru. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.